In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix your footage in the free version of DaVinci. I'll show you a way how to deflicker and denoise your footage completely for free. As you can see, my footages has flicker lights caused by mismatched frequencies between the camera and the flickering light. If you own the studio version, you have a dedicated drag and drop effect to fix this, but if you don't, luckily there's also a free way. Hold Option and drag your clip up like so. Go over to composite mode and turn opacity down to 33. After that, go to the first frame and move one frame forward. Copy the clip once more and move it one frame forward as well. Once that's done, trim the beginning and the end like I do to delete the excess. Now you have successfully deflickered the footage. Keep in mind that it also adds this pretty strong motion blur to the edges of your clip, which can cause it to look fake, but it's generally better than having an annoying flickering in there. This method also applies a slight noise reduction, so especially for low light, this method is actually very useful if you don't have the studio version. That's basically it.